Check these old train tracks in Key West. They old, but they made them out of. They made them out of highway guardrails. Check this out. It's on Key West right here, y'all. They took the old railroad track. I think Henry Ford or somebody brought this and started this way back in the days, way before our time. And they still got a piece of history right here. They turned this out of handrails right here, as you can just see right here. It's crazy, right? Railroad tracks. Piece of history. Piece of mobilization. Look at that. It's crazy, right? Handrails. Like, comment, and subscribe. This be an old railroad track ran through here. I believe it's on that side over here. It's crazy. Even the posters are made out of it too. See? Crazy. Even the posters. It's crazy. I just spotted that out. Maybe I was just want to show that with y'all. Piece of art, piece of whatever you want to call it.